Welcome to my channel. How to fix IoT connectivity problems and reduce network latency at home. 1. Restart your router and devices. Turn off your router and IoT devices for 30 seconds, then restart them. This refreshes the network and fixes many temporary issues. 2. Place the router in a central location. Keep your router in the center of your home, away from walls and metal objects, to improve signal strength. 3. Update router firmware. Check your router settings and install the latest firmware updates to improve performance and security. 4. Use the 5 GHz band when possible. If your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, connect devices to 5 GHz for faster speeds and lower latency, when in range. 5. Reduce network congestion. Disconnect unused devices from Wi-Fi to free up bandwidth for your IoT devices. 6. Improve Wi-Fi coverage. Use a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system if you have dead zones in your home. 7. Secure your network. Use a strong Wi-Fi password to prevent unknown users from slowing down your network. 8. Limit background downloads. Pause large downloads or streaming while using important IoT devices to reduce lag. 9. Check device compatibility. Make sure your IoT devices support your router's Wi-Fi standards and settings. 10. Reset network settings, if needed. If problems continue, reset your router to factory settings and reconnect devices. Thanks for watching.